This is the Ego Power Plus 21-inch snow thrower. It has an auger that's not steel. It's a rubber or tough leather auger, which is a bit safer for anybody, heaven forbid, getting their limbs caught in there. But also, it does not harm your driveway as much. And this might wear out with time, but this has lasted a few seasons for us already. There are lights. We're gonna plug the batteries in a second so we can see the lights. We have our snow thrower chute here. We can shoot up to 35 inches with this guy. And the clearing width is 21 inches. That's the space across the front here that we can clear at a time. Our batteries, they go right into here. We need 2, which is a lot of battery power. So we pop these guys in. This door likes to close, which I guess is the perfect position for it to be in most of the time. So we pop in 2 of these batteries, make sure they're in all the way and clicked in. Close that. And up here we have the controls. We have the power button. Turn that to, or push that to turn it on. This is our variable speed from slow to fast. That's how fast the auger spins. This one's not self-propelled. So the speed is the auger, which is this piece right here that throws the snow. And this handle here allows us to adjust the direction that we shoot the snow. So as I pull this back, I pull it back and the chute turns one way, push it back, turns the other way. You can also adjust the elevation of the chute exit here. That's perfectly up and down. So that's like perfectly straight out. And then we can shoot it off at an angle as well. That's maybe 45 degrees or 30 degrees. You can stop it in between. You push this little lever down to adjust it. It feels like there's 4 stops. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 stops. To turn it on, you have to push down this button and pull back this bar at the same time. So I'm gonna do that while I'm holding my phone. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna put my phone on the stand so you can see the lights come on at the front and watch the auger spin. There we go. I turn the snowblower towards the light so you can see the auger better, and you'll be able to see that light and that light come on as well when I turn it on. And that's how loud it is. It's quite quiet. It has an instant off. The on is maybe 1 or 2 seconds to spool up to speed. But as you saw, the off is almost instant. And it's really quiet. And it throws a lot of snow, up to 35 feet as it shows on the chute at the top there. We have a lot of Ego products. We've got the blower and the lawnmower. And we like them because the batteries are massive and they're powerful. And they can easily be used for heavy duty applications like snow throwing, which is quite heavy work for these machines. And when you're done, the handle folds down over top of the main unit for easy storage. You just have to undo this buckle on each side and then you can fold down the arms. And now if you have a spot where you can fit that underneath, it'll slide right in and it's nice and compact.